Are you ready? Yes. Is it a beautiful day? Yes. It is. Do you need any help with that? No.
Do you like pizza? No. Oh, really?
You like pizza, right? Yeah. This test is hard. Yeah. I agree. Want to go to the gym today? Nope. Should I buy this t-shirt? Nope. Why not?
Let's meet at 5 p.m. Okay.
Let's meet at 3 p.m. Okay, see you then.
Are you ready to go?
All right.
Are you ready for the movie?
All right.
Let's go in. Can you pass me the salt? Sure.
Would you like to see the menu? Sure. Here it is. Thank you. Can you help me carry these bags?
Course. Did you finish your homework? Of course. Good job. Would you like some tea? Yes, please.
Would you like more coffee?
Yes, please.
Coming right up.
Do you want an apple?
No thanks. Would you like a cookie?
No, thanks.
Okay.
This movie is really exciting. I agree.
I believe this plan is good.
I agree.
It's a great idea. I think this book is quite boring.
I disagree.
Will it be sunny tomorrow? I think so.
It might rain tomorrow. I think so. Let's check the forecast.
Is the cafe open until midnight?
I don't think so.
This new movie looks amazing. I don't think so. Oh, why not? So, we meet at the park at noon?
That's right.
The capital of France is Paris. That's right. Good job.
The meeting is scheduled for Monday.
That's correct.
All these numbers are accurate.
That's correct.
Perfect. Is this a cat?
No, that's wrong. It's a dog. The meeting is at 2 p.m., right?
No, that's wrong. It's at 3 p.m.
You look tired today, are you?
Not really. I slept well.
Not really. It's quite mild.
Oh, okay. Good to know.
It's such a beautiful day. Exactly. Perfect for a picnic.
So, we need to divide first?
Exactly. That's the correct step.
This new plan is excellent.
Absolutely. I couldn't agree more. How about a walk in the park this weekend?
Absolutely. I'd love that.
Will you come to the party tonight?
Definitely. I'll be there.
Should we go to Jeju Island for our vacation?
Definitely. It sounds wonderful. How about pizza for dinner?
Maybe. I had pizza yesterday. How about pasta for lunch?
Maybe. I'm also thinking about salad. Do you think it will rain tomorrow?
Possibly. The sky looks cloudy. Do you think it will rain tomorrow?
Possibly. The forecast mentioned a chance.
Which shirt looks better on me?
I'm not sure. Both are nice. What about using this new software?
I'm not sure. I need to check its compatibility. Let's meet at 3 p.m. for coffee.
Sounds good. See you then. Let's watch a movie tonight.
Sounds good. Which one?
How about going to the movies?
That sounds good. I'd love to. How about meeting at the new cafe next week?
That sounds good. I've heard nice things about it. Is $20 okay for this?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you. We might have to change our appointment time.
That's fine. Just let me know the new time. I'm sorry I'm late.
That's okay. Don't worry about it. Oh, I'm so sorry I'm late.
That's okay. I just arrived too.
Do you want some broccoli? No, I don't like it.
We should try that new Italian restaurant.
I don't like it. I went there last month.
Look at my new jacket. What do you think?
I like it. It really suits you.
Look at my new jacket! Wow, I like it. It looks great on you. That chocolate cake looks amazing.
So, you want it?
Yes, I want it.
We have purple, orange, and yellow cups.
I want it. The orange one, please.
Do you need this old dictionary?
No, I don't want it. You can throw it away. Would you like some coffee?
No, thank you. I don't want it.
Can you help me lift this? Sure, I can. Let's put it down over here. Thanks a lot. Can you finish this report by Friday?
Yes, I can.
Are you coming to the movie tonight? Sorry, I can't. I have plans. Can you lift this heavy box alone?
No, I can't.
Please remember to send that email. Don't worry, I will. Please remember to call me tomorrow.
Don't worry, I will. Please don't tell anyone about this. I won't. My lips are sealed.
Please don't tell anyone my secret.
I won't. You can trust me.
How about we go hiking this Saturday? Great idea. Let's do it. Should we start preparing dinner now?
Yes, let's do it. I'm hungry.
Should we try this difficult puzzle first? Maybe not. Let's not do it yet.
How about going hiking this Sunday?
Let's not do it. It might rain.
I think we should skip the presentation. Really? Why not? I decided not to go to the party tonight.
Really? Why not?
Let's climb that mountain without any gear. No way, that's too dangerous. Come on, it'll be fun. No means no.
Do you think we can finish this project in one day?
No way, it's impossible.
We're planning a trip next month. Want to join?
Count me in. I'm in.
We're planning a trip to the beach next month. Want to join?
Sounds great. I'm in.
We're going to that new restaurant. Are you coming? Sorry, I'm out. I'm not feeling well. We're going camping this weekend. Are you coming?
Oh, sorry, I'm out. I already have plans.
We can meet at 7 or 8 p.m., which works. Either time works. It's okay with me. We can meet at 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. Which time works for you?
Either time is fine. It's okay with me.
I'm sorry, it's not okay with me. I need it. Oh, okay. How about we meet at the cafe at 3 p.m.? Yes, that works. See you then. How about meeting at the cafe around 7 p.m.?
Yes, that works. See you then.
Can we have the meeting on Monday? Unfortunately, that doesn't work for me. I have another appointment. Can we have our team meeting on Tuesday morning?
Sorry, that doesn't work for me. I have another appointment.
We might need to delay the project by a day. I'm okay with that, as long as it's just one day. We might have to stay a bit late to finish this.
No problem. I'm okay with that.
We decided to cancel your vacation for work. I'm not okay with that. My vacation is important. So, we'll just skip lunch and keep working?
No, I'm not okay with that. We need a break.
Can I start eating now? Go ahead. The food is ready.
Can I use your computer for a minute?
Go ahead.
Thanks.
I'm going to play loud music. Please don't. I'm trying to study.
Should I turn on the music?
Please don't. I'm trying to concentrate. Would you like to join us for dinner?
I I'd love to. Thank you for inviting me.
Would you like to join us for lunch?
I'd love to. How about watching a scary movie tonight? I'd rather not. I don't like horror films.
Do you want to watch a horror movie?
I'd rather not. I don't like scary movies.
Is it okay if I open the window?
I don't mind. It's a bit stuffy in here.
Is it okay if I open the window?
I don't mind. It's a bit stuffy in here. Can we play music loudly after midnight? I mind. The neighbors might complain.
Do you mind if I bring my dog to your house?
I mind. My cat is very sensitive. Are you going to the party on Saturday? It depends. I need to check my schedule first.
Will you come to the party tonight?
It depends. I might have to work late. Which one do you prefer? Coffee or tea? Let me think. They both sound good.
Can you help me with this report by tomorrow?
Let me think. It's quite a big task. So, we're meeting at 7 p.m., right? I guess so. I haven't heard otherwise.
So, we're meeting at 7 p.m., right?
I guess so. Nobody suggested another.
Thanks.
Do you think it will rain tomorrow? I guess not. The sky looks clear.
Do you think it will rain today?
I guess not. The sky looks clear.
Would you like more cake?
That's enough, thank you. It was delicious.
Would you like more tea?
No, thank you. That's enough.
Thanks. I've booked 10 activities for our trip.
That's too much. We need some time to relax.
Here's your portion of pasta.
Oh, that's too much. I can't eat all of it. I believe we should save more money. I agree with you. It's important for the future.
I think we should take a break now.
I agree with you. I'm a bit tired.
Thanks. I think online learning is better than in person.
I don't agree with you. I prefer face-to-face interaction.
This new policy is very fair.
I don't agree with you. I think it's unfair to some.
Is it okay if I borrow your pen a moment? Yes, that's fine. Here you go.
Can I hand in the report tomorrow instead of today?
Yes, that's fine. Just make sure it's perfect. Can I cancel our appointment at the last minute? No, that's not okay. I've already made arrangements.
Is it okay if I leave work early today?
No, that's not okay. We have an important meeting.